Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Jeep Cherokee stock on the 6529. It's run from the 10th 2009 and the 10th 2012. It has a 3.7 litre WK 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 4-speed four-wheel drive transmission. This is WK 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 20-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,